Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl Anastasia, and I am back again with another video. And you guys, I know you can tell from the title of this video already, this video is going to be a wig review video. As you guys can see, can you see the way your girl is glowing? This wig is from Luvme hair. You guys know that Luvme hair, their wigs, like, they don't compromise on the quality of their wigs. Like, their wigs are always good. All the wigs that I have gotten from Luvme hair, like, I still have them till today, and they are very, very good quality. So their brand, just know that if you are buying wig from Luvme hair, like, you are going to get value for your money. So guys, this is how the packaging of the wig comes in, like you guys already know. And guys, before I forget, this wig is a ready to wear wig. Like, you guys look at it. This is not a frontal wig, but this is a closure wig. You guys can see, like, I love this hair so much. Like, I've never had any short hair before, but I really love this one because I really bouncy. Guys, can you see how the wig is looking? Anyways, before I continue with this video, I want to show you the other things that came with this wig, okay? And when you're getting this wig, you're going to get some goodies inside. You're going to get wig cap as usual. You're going to get this, I think this is a wig grip, and then you're going to get this cute hairbrush. I'm going to show you guys this hairbrush. So there is an hairbrush in this purple cute container. So you guys, can you see the quality of this hairbrush? That is to tell you that Luvme hair, they don't compromise on the quality of their wigs. When it comes to wigs, switching it up is everything, and that is like that is what Luvme hair is known for. Like, switching it up is everything. Now, this is how your girl looks like without the wig, and I quickly want to show you guys how this wig is, you know, without me putting it on. So this is how the back of the wig is. Guys, can you see how this hair is bouncing? Like, no, this is so cute. And guys, like I said earlier, this hair is of really good price. Like, it is like very much affordable. You guys can see how the curls are bouncy, and this wig is a side part wig. You can see that the side part is already made for you already, so you don't even need to start parting your hair and start stressing yourself. Like, this hair already comes side parted. As you can see, this wig also has an elastic strap, so this is going to help your wig to stay secured, and it also has this strap thingy at the back, so you have like two security, and your wig is not going to go anywhere. And it also has 3 combs inside, so it has 2 combs by the side. As you guys can see, there are 2 combs by the side, and there is 1 comb at the back. I really did not even use the comb because this hair is like, it's very snugged on my head because of the elastic band. So you guys, you can see this is a closure wig, by the way. So what you want to do is just to cut off the lace. I already cut off the lace in advance, so you guys can see, like, this wig is very easy, and I did not have to use any hot comb and, you know, laying the hair and anything. Like, I just took the wig out of the box and I put it on. Like, it's so easy and amazing. So I'm going to put this wig on again, and you guys, can you see? I'm just going to put it on. You guys, can you see? You see? That's all. Like, that is all for this wig. Like, this wig is very cute. I love it so much. I love how it is short, and like, it is fancy, it is giving Megan good vibes, okay? You guys can see the side of the wig. And wig already comes pre-plucked, so you don't have to like start plucking your wig. And you guys, can you see? I did not lay my hair like I showed you guys earlier. The hairline is pretty good too, and this lace on the hair is an affordable HD lace, like HD lace. Another thing I love about this hair is that the length is very comfortable. Like, if you don't like wigs that are touching your neck and all of that stuff, then this wig is perfect for you because it is a very comfortable length. Like, you guys can see, like, it is not even touching my shoulders. This wig is just, you know, ready to go. Just put it on your head and that's it, and you're out. You have gone to work, you know, you're going for a date night. You know, this wig is just gorgeous and I love it so much. Can you see the natural bouncy curls on this wig? You guys, you can see the curls. So do well to click on the title of my video. It is going to take you straight to my description box, and you guys, you're going to see the hair link. Click on the hair and just go and buy this hair, because you can't tell me anything. If you are going to work, just wear this wig. Ready to wear wig. Hair up a little. You guys, can you see there is no glue, and then natural hairline. Like, you guys, uncompromising quality. Like, you are getting quality wig. So this is a quick 360 of the wig. So this is how the wig looks like front view, and this is how it's looking like side view, and this is back view. And you guys, you can see how the curls on this wig is bouncing, and this is the other side. The wig is just so cute. So you guys, make sure you buy this wig off of their website. It is of very good quality, and the price is really good too, and you are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.